Lucas can. He has the hiccups. Look at those big, beautiful eyes. He's our little Liam. Leave me alone, Layla. Mom read that hiccups really don't bother them at all. It's almost 9 o'clock here. That's Hiccup Boy. We'll come back later for more. See if he's still hiccuping.